Did you know that the Department of Revenue may be able to help you request changes to your child support or health insurance order? You can ask the court to make your order higher or lower. A change to your support order is called a modification. Only the court can modify a support order, but DOR might be able to help you ask the court for a modification. There are many reasons that parents may want to ask for DOR's help in modifying their support orders. One of these reasons may apply to you. For example, did you lose your job? Does your new job pay much less than your old job? Are you in the military now, or are you a veteran? Has the other parent's income increased? Do you have significant child care or health care costs? Are you disabled or receiving SSI or SSDI? Have expenses for your child increased? Do your children live with you now? These are some of the most common reasons that parents ask for our help. But if you believe another reason applies to you, you should get in touch with us. Who could ask for DOR's help in requesting a modification? If you are the parent or caretaker who gets support, or you are the parent who pays support, you can ask for our help, as long as DOR is providing full services to collect and enforce your child support or health insurance order. We cannot help you modify orders that involve parenting time, custody, or other issues. Before asking DOR to help you modify your child support order, there are a few things to keep in mind. In Massachusetts, the court uses the Massachusetts Child Support Guidelines to determine the amount of a child support order. If you ask the court to change your order, the court may make the order higher or lower, or may make no change at all. You should carefully consider the amount of child support the court might order. You can get an idea of how much the court might order by using the online Child Support Guidelines Calculation Worksheet available on DOR's website, www.mass.gov/CSS. If you decide to ask for DOR's help, the first step is to get a form called Worksheet to Request a Modification of Your Court Order. There are two ways to get this form. One way is to go to our website, www.mass.gov/CSS, and log into your Case Manager account. On the Case Manager homepage, find the information box on the left and click on Forms. Then choose the worksheet to request a modification of your court order. You can print this form at home and mail it to the address on the form. You can also call our Customer Service Bureau at 1-800-332-2733 to request that we mail the worksheet to you. That number again is 1-800-332-2733. Along with the completed worksheet, you will need to send DOR paperwork that will help explain why the amount of your support orders should change. Documents to support your request may include information about military orders, salary and wages, public assistance benefits, custody orders, health insurance, child care, unemployment benefits, SSI or SSDI benefits, workers' compensation, disability, or incarceration. You don't need to give copies of everything on this list, just those that apply to you. Once you have completed the worksheet and gathered all of your supporting information, you should mail all of the paperwork to DOR. Don't worry about remembering our mailing address, it's included on the worksheet. Once DOR gets your paperwork, we will review it, along with any information we have about the income and assets you and the other parent have. If we can help you, we will send you a letter to tell you about the next steps. Sometimes, after reviewing your worksheet to request a modification of your court order and other documentation, we might determine that a court is unlikely to change your order based on the information you provided. If this is the case, we will send you a letter telling you that we cannot help you file a request for a modification. Remember, even if we cannot help you, you can still go to court on your own to ask for a change to your support order. If DOR decides that we can help you with a request to modify your support order, we will file a complaint for modification in the probate and family court that entered your original support order. In most cases, your case will be scheduled for a virtual case conference where you and the other parent will have the opportunity to discuss your case with DOR and try to reach an agreement about a change to your support order. You can attend the case conference from your own home or office without needing to go to the courthouse. If you are not able to reach an agreement during the case conference, you will have a hearing by Zoom that day where the judge will decide whether to change your order. If you are the parent who pays support, you must continue to pay the amount of your existing child support order until the court decides whether the amount of your order will be changed. If you do not continue to pay, you may be subject to interest and penalty charges or other enforcement actions. If the court does change your child support order, the new amount may be retroactive to the date the complaint for modification was served on the other parent. This means that the new order may take effect as of the date the complaint was served, even if the judge makes a decision at a later date. For example, if the complaint was served on January 15th, but the judge makes a decision on March 1st, the judge can decide that the new order takes effect as of January 15th. Your life's circumstances may have changed since the court entered your original child support or health insurance order. If you think that your order should be modified because of these changes, DOR is here to help you. Thank you for watching. For more information about modifying your child support order or other child support related issues, please visit our website at www.mass.gov/CSS. That's www.mass.gov/CSS.